RJ from RJXD Gaming here, and today we're going to be joined by
Angelina, Miss Little Gamer.
For the Little Gamers. And today we're going to do a part 2 of the Lego challenge.
Look at my
it's not a challenge. We're going to be finishing up our builds.
So look at mine. I added some stairs to it. Ta-da! Alright, so moving back.
We're starting. Oh no.
Alright, so pass me a castle piece.
This is the castle piece, so you can make the corner.
What is
so
it?
you can make the corner of the castle.
There, I want it to be up here.
Look, I'm done with my boat. That's going to be there, and I'm going to start a new thing.
Alright, so that's a good boat. Give it thumbs up.
Guys, there's more pieces.
And then after this, the inside.
So I have to look for those pieces.
Alright,
Okay, so I'll hand you some castle pieces. That's a door.
Well, the door can't fit.
This is another door. This is a person.
He could be a guard or something.
Or he could be the guard. Look, another random thing.
I know. It's really random. Look at the face. It's like really
Okay.
like his face or something.
So we're gonna undo this.
So he's gonna be right here. Mine says like so movie.
I have no idea. No, that was the TV. That's just
Marco.
That's just Super Grandpa.
Marco.
Super Grandpa!
Okay, I think we should continue.
This is hard. Pass me some casa pesas. Like, what?
There's a castle piece right there.
I don't know how to.
Bam, almost done.
I'm almost done. He's on top. I will find
Okay. So, I'm looking for the last piece to complete this shit thing.
This way, so beautiful. No, there's another piece to this. Where did you put it?
Bam! That's the boat.
Well, put something inside.
Okay, I'll hand you castle pieces and I'll help you with your castle.
Look now.
That's really cool.
So where do I put this?
Where's the corner pieces?
So
What are these corner pieces? So I'm gonna get started with this catapult.
And then that, you can make like a whole city.
Yeah. It's just this little thing.
Super Grandpa!
Super Grandpa, we need you.
Let's try not to laugh part of the video.
Angelina, superhero, avocado.
He said, I'm a cuckoo. I'm a cuckoo.
I'm a
boy.
Oh boy.
So this can be the guardian. I guess not. That's creepy. Give me a castle piece already. Where?
Where are the corner pieces I gave you?
I already put them on.
Yo, come all the way on the other side and you can see it.
Where'd it go? Rise, my royal majesty. You made this?
Okay.
Oh, I can use this. Guys! I'm going to show what I found. Now, RJ, I'm going to show them what I found. Look what I found, guys. Is that really cool?
You almost dropped it?
Yeah. It's not sunlight.
Wait, so
Ow! That hurt my thumb. Alright,
catapults are harder than I thought.
so I'll put this right there. Or put this right here. Cry if I want to, cry if I want to. Yeah. Pass me some castle pieces. Oh, that's hot.
This is harder than I thought.
Yeah. This is hot.
Ooh, I think I got it down. Okay, so let's launch. I made a catapult.
Look what I found. Look what? This is an ugly guy.
You almost knocked down my boat.
By accident. Look. Look. This is an ugly guy I've just found. So let's just throw him
This is another
over
one.
there.
Okay, so I think you should add on to the thing.
I'm gonna try. Try it.
Another random thing. Wow, that's pretty sad.
Seriously?
My boat.
Ah!
Okay, so guys, I figured that since I'm done with my boat, I should add something in my boat.
That's what I said. Put stuff in your boat.
So I'm gonna add.
Oh, you make
huge-
that boat. Make that boat like
No.
that had like those boxes that.
No, not making that.
Oh, just forget this.
He sadly does not want to make the castle anymore.
I'm gonna make a boat.
How are you supposed to? So guys, there was no point in her making that castle. She just wasted her time.
Now what am I gonna make?
Guys, I think you should help her. Put in the comments below on what she should make. Please. Okay, so
Look
you
at
wanna
this.
make a tower? You can make a tower.
Never. Tell me something good, because I might make it because I might know how to make it. And I might have a little help from my brother.
Okay. You might have help from your big brother.
You don't have no idea what that is.
Yes, this is an actual Lego piece. By the way, guys, some of these pieces here are not really Lego.
Can I help you?
What? You should make a tower.
Never.
Make a tower with 4 bricks, because that's what I'm doing.
I want to help you.
This is help. Oh, you see all that beautiful help right here. That is so beautiful.
Part of this video, I'm gonna dance. Right? Part of this thing, I'm gonna do it. Right?
I'm gonna launch monkey tube.
That must have hurt. Yeah. What's that? Is that an iPad?
Building.
This is an
That's
iPad.
Not an iPad.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's not an iPad.
The tablet.
But we're recording on it.
No, you're recording. Look, I'm gonna sound like Miranda. A Miranda. A Miranda. If your roommate, how do you sing it again?
Miranda sings.
Miranda sings.
So we finished this boat in this video.
Well, I don't have any boats.
Now, all this hard work for nothing.
Now it's
Time.
time to destroy it.
Sadly.
No.
Yes.
Never destroy
But why?
Beautiful boat.
Not so beautiful. Give me the boat.
No. Never.
Give me the boat. It's broken. Destroy the boat. Okay, guys, she's crying. See you in the next video. Bye. Say bye.